Hello बच्चों, welcome to my channel Learn with Kids. Today we are going to learn about phonic sounds of alphabet. Let's start. A for apple. Phonic sound is A or A. B for ball. Phonic sound B, ball. C for cat. Phonic sound is K, cat. D for dog. Phonic sound is D, dog. E for egg, phonic sound is A, egg. F for fish, phonic sound is fish. G for God, phonic sound is God. H for hat, phonic sound is hat. I for igloo, phonic sound is igloo. J for jam, phonic sound is jam. K for king, phonic sound is king. L for lion, phonic sound is L. M for moon, phonic sound is M. N for nut, phonic sound is N. O for orange, phonic sound is O. P for pig, phonic sound is pig. Q for queen, phonic sound is queen. R for rocket, phonic sound is rocket. S for sun, phonic sound sun. T for tree, phonic sound is tree. U for umbrella, phonic sound is umbrella. V for van, phonic sound is van. W for watch, phonic sound is watch. X for fox, phonic sound is x, x. Y for yo-yo, phonic sound is yo-yo. Z for jeep, phonic sound is jeep. Thanks for watching. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.